How to fix an unexpected error occurred on Instagram. So if you want to fix an unexpected error occurred on your Instagram, then the first solution is you need to check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, the next thing you need to do is you open up your Play Store or your App Store. Go with search. Under search, you need to search for Instagram. And if you have any updates under your Instagram, just go and update the application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back, remove that from your background, and tap and hold on to your Instagram application. Go with the app info, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. And after that, you just need to simply go back and restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. That's how you can fix an unexpected error occurred on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.